Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. When I saw you, I was afraid to meet you. When I met you, I was afraid to kiss you. When I kissed you, I was afraid to love you. Not that I love you, I am afraid to lose you. You see, I love you and I don't want to lose you because my life has been better since the day someone found you. True love to me is when she is the first thought that goes through your head when you wake up and the last through that through your head before you go to sleep. If I know what love is, it is because of you. True love stories never have ending. Your beautiful smile and your happy laughter attracted me to you, but your caring, loving heart is the reason why I want to spend the rest of my life with you. True love asks no questions, makes no reservation, but puts itself unconditionally into the hands of the loved one. I feel in love with the way you taught me without using your hands. I love you because you actually put efforts into me. I love you because nobody has ever given me love that you have given me, and you are the only one that could ever love me this way. I love you because you always make me feel that I am worth something. I love you because you have nurturing nature and you take care of me. I love you because you made me smile when I almost forgotten how to. I love you because you have a heart and honest heart. I love you and everything little detail about you. I love you because you are simply you. You meet someone who takes your breath away, not because you want them to, but because they are meant to. And that person will change your life forever.